See, today it's a very important program, especially for the minority communities. You all know the six minority communities are Muslims, Christians, Sikh, Parsis, Buddhists, Jains. And all the six minorities are being given special treatment under the mantra which Prime Minister Narendra Modi has followed, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, means with everybody for everybody's development. Now, this meeting in Tiruvananthapuram is very important because we are reviewing the schemes for Pradhan Mantri Jan Vikas Yojana, which are critical support for infrastructure, education, health, social welfare, sports, tourism. We are funding in every sector. And the second meeting is for the beneficiaries which are being supported under NMDFC, National Minority Finance Development Corporation. We have some channelizing agency partners from State Government of Kerala. So you must have seen today large numbers of youth, women, and needy people in Kerala are getting well supported by this scheme, and it has transformed their lives. I am thankful to Kerala government for giving full support to the schemes launched by the Government of India for minority communities. As a Minister for Minority Affairs, it is my responsibility to see that the gap funding from the Ministry of Minority Affairs are reaching out to the needy people, the targeted communities. I am also going to visit some of the units today afternoon. I'm happy that all my senior officers and from the ministry and the NMDFC have come here, and the Kerala state government, the Minister for Work and the Minority Welfare and the Sports also has joined me. My MOS, George Kurian, who is also from Kerala, has also joined. We are happy that large numbers of representatives from the other southern states also have come, because this is meeting being held in Tiruvananthapuram, but state government secretaries and senior officials from all southern India states have also participated.
In another matter, the Enforcement Directorate is conducting raids across SBTI offices. ED has said that SBTI is a frontal organization for PFI. The activities are going on. How do you see this? And also, only PFI has been banned. SBTI is still recognized by the Election Commission and still contesting elections.
See, first of all the actions by the enforcement agencies are based on certain facts and figures which I can't comment. They have acted on a basis. When there is action against some illegal wrongdoings, you should not look it or make it as a communal issue or given a communal angle to it. Whether a PFI or anybody, if anybody has committed a mistake or anybody has breached the law or committed crime, so action is on the basis of the provisions in the law. It's not who belongs to which community. So the investigating agencies or other agencies are active and they are doing their job. I have no specific things to offer as a comment because I have come here for developmental work. I have not been briefed about the cases which you are referring to.
Serious developments going on the language issue, especially in South India. Now the Agra state is saying they will encourage, promote multi-languages in India.
See, there are some miscommunications or some people deliberately trying to play politics. Three-language policy in the national education policy is good for the whole country. Today, Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji is the Prime Minister of India, but Hindi is not his mother tongue. His mother tongue is Gujarati. Our Home Minister, Amit Shah ji, his mother tongue is Gujarati. The Education Minister, Dharmendra Pradhan, his mother tongue is Odia. My mother tongue is Arunachali. So, but we are working as a team whereby the interest of our country is foremost. So let us not divide the country on the basis of religion or language. We are all Indians. Let us work together. And Prime Minister Modi ji has continuously said that every region, every community, everybody in India is equal and everybody will be given equal treatment, equal protection, equal preference. So let us not divide the country on the basis of caste, creed, religion or community or state or region.